In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't save to desktop in Windows 10. So friends, to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start, then Settings. And here click on Update and Security. Click on Windows Security. Click on this first option, Virus and Threat Protection. Now click on underneath Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Now scroll down and underneath Controlled Folder Access, click on Manage Controlled Folder Access. Now in here you need to turn off this controlled folder access. Click on Yes. That's it. Now using this simple and quick method, you can fix can't save to desktop in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.